To date, in 2019, the Brewer Home Team has sold 28% of the houses sold in the Avonsong subdivision. These homes sell in the 200s and average only 7 days on the market, and I thought 90 miles an hour on a motorcycle was fast. Roxanne is an eager first-time investor who wanted to spend around $200,000 for her first investment property. We explained the challenges at that price point, and when the perfect house came available, we previewed it for her and encouraged her to immediately make an offer. She came in with a strong offer within hours and won the house over offers that were all cash. I'm a great referral for your client who's ready to make an investment in real estate. Ask him how much he's thinking of spending on his first investment. If it's under $300,000, he needs to talk to us. He knows he wants to invest his money. What he needs is someone who will help him win over those all-cash offers. I'm Kelly Vandiver with the Brewer Home Team at Keller Williams, North Atlanta.